And the last on the list, we have so-called litigant in person and so-called Mackenzie friend. Litigant in person, who is litigant in person?
A litigant in person is somebody that will want to represent themselves. So it's as of right in the UK, if you, well, in England and Wales, rather, if you want to represent yourself without using a lawyer, you can.
Yeah,
but it's not advised.
It's not advised, but people may be short of money.
Yes.
And might not qualify for legal aid that we are going to cover today too. And then they can just represent themselves. They have this right of audience because of the status that they have. They are party to the proceedings. And they also can obtain some legal aid to reasonable extent, even if they don't qualify for legal aid. So there's many agencies to which you can apply for some legal advice, but it won't be something that you obtain really an advice. You can obtain some guidance, assistance.